Do you have a dripping or old tap that needs changing? This is a quick guide on how to change your tap, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started. Some of the tools you'll need are a screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, and in some cases you might need a box spanner set, although that's not entirely necessary. Okay, let's start by locating the isolation valves underneath the sink. You want to turn them clockwise to shut off the water and turn on the tap to release any remaining pressure. Once the isolation valves have been shut off, they should look something like this. Now, we're going to use our wrench to remove the bolts. This would get really wet, so make sure you have a bucket or a towel ready. Once it's off, you should expect some water leaking. Make sure you have some towels or a bucket ready to catch that water. Now you can unscrew your old tap. Once done, you're ready to pull your old tap out. Be mindful of the bolts and just pull them on slowly. Now we're going to get everything out, ready to install. First, you want to connect any parts that you may have on your new tap. Just follow the instructions that you'll get with the new tap. Once the Flexi hoses are attached to your new tap, feed them through the sink hole. Now we want to make sure we can secure the new tap. Use your hand or a basin wrench and make sure the tap is straight before you fully tighten. Now, connect the hot and cold hoses to the correct balls and tighten. You can start off with your finger to help guide the nut, then tighten with the wrench. Turn the isolation valve anti-clockwise when connected and double check if the correct vent hose is connected to the correct valve. Once you're happy and you've connected both the Flexis to the valve, it's time to check and make sure the water flows without any leaks, and the water is hot when the hot tap is on, and it's cold when the cold tap is on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.